Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. I'm Rebecca, and today we have a new Dollar Tree video to see what is new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. This is for Tuesday, February the 6th, 2024. So let's go shopping and see what is new. We'll start in apparel and accessories. We had these gorgeous cosmetic bags that say Enjoy in gold with a gold zipper and one that says Shine. There were more, but they were mostly gone at this point. They are starting to put out their summer sandals. Lots of different versions for adults and children. I love the three-tone, or kind of like the ombre look with the flamingos on them. Those are so cute. They're starting to put out their wedding sandals as well that say Bride and Bridesmaid in pink, white, and gold. Over in arts and crafts, they have a bunch of their burlap trim restocked. These are the 1 yard pieces. Lots of different boxes of the different tone of ribbon. We've got the blue, purple, red, wine. There's white, black. They had brown. There's tons of different colors. All have been restocked. We've also got the bead garland in the patriotic colors. We've got the red, white, and blue. The white was still in the box. They didn't have that quite out yet. But then we've got the Farmer's Square fruits. These are the fake fruits that you can put out. They had the oranges, red apples, the Granny Smith apples. There were also pears and carrots. Got lots of boxes of the fruit and then some new stickers. We've got the I Love My Best Friend, BFF. Life is meant for good friends and great adventures. Best friends forever, and you make my heart smile. There's also the family stickers like family, father, and mother, I love you. True love, together we make a family, and family forever. It's some 3D style stickers with the kind of like silver sequins around the outside edge, and then the macrame cord. We've got the purple, the blue, and then there's also the green. And the size of the rolls are 25 yards total for each one. A bunch of different laser cutouts, but these also have the gold glitter on the outside portion. They had some hearts. You can see there's little birds in this one. They got some flowers kind of cut out in the center. A couple different designs and scroll work, all with the gold glitter. There are some crosses, some pocket watches, which I think are really cute. The key. So here's all the different designs. For those of you that I just showed you, then we've got these designs. Like I said, lots of different hearts and different shapes, lots of animals. There's the larger pieces where you just get 3 that say XOXO and wedding. And then for the baby and toddler gear, we have these little toys. They are the Sesame Street pals. They have, of course, the Cookie Monster and Big Bird. Then there are some sand toys. They just started to put these back out. They had these out last season. You get a shovel, a rake, and the mold. There's Cookie Monster and Elmo. We've got the bath bombs by Ninja Turtles, Encanto, and Jurassic Park. And those are all in the baby toddler aisle. For the health and beauty, we'll start with the cosmetics first. There was the Revlon lip color, which I showed you guys on Friday. I'm finding these at a few more stores this week. It's the Ultra High Def Matte Lip Color. There are 4 different shades that you can purchase. This has the applicator wand attached to the lid. There's the Art Deco Nail Art by LA Colors and lots of different colors and glitter. For the hair care items, we have these really pretty headbands with the 3 different colors of silk ribbon that is braided together and attached at the bottom of the headband. And they had this solid blue braided chain, claw clip, the gold claw clips, and some barrettes. These are covered in fabric that's scrunched up on the top with the snap clip in the back. There's also these pastel elastics, ponytail holders. For the pharmacy and personal care items, they have the Hey Humans body lotion in 2 different scents. You can find these at Target for $6. And these are the Jada Pinkett Smith all natural body lotion, shampoos, and like shower gels and things like that. Just $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Over in Fun Finds, we have these Dress Up Girls paper doll books. These are so fun. It's a whole entire book with 60 different outfits and pieces that you can dress up your paper doll, which is on the back of the book that you punch out. Has a little stand there that you can put her on. There's several different girls with, or paper dolls, I should say, with the different hair colors and a bunch of different outfits inside each book. So that's really fun to check out. They have like princesses, pirates, a whole bunch of different versions. They even have some where you can dress them up like mermaids and things like that. Lots of different fashion in each booklet. And they're a real thick paper, so they won't tear easily. Over in home decor, we have these gorgeous little succulents in the cement flower pots, and they have a couple different designs succulent, but all the pots are the same size and the same color. You could paint them if you like, but I really like that natural look with the succulent and that plain cement. They also have the glass balls back in that say thankful, love, and family, all in the black writing. It looks kind of like Rae Dunn. Some more of the candle holders in the gold. I also found them in the silver this week, which was nice. Those were all restocked. These really pretty lanterns in the amber and the white. They have the hanger, a twine bow, and a bumblebee. There's also some mirrors with the matte frame. We've got the matte gold and black. They have a whole bunch of different designs with the circular center mirror. And here's one more. And then these hooks, these come in about, I think, 3 colors there. The red, this teal, and then brown, or kind of like a regular metal color. Over in the photo frames, we've got these natural wood photo frames that look weathered, a little bit aged already. A couple different designs of photo frames. We've got the silver dollar 3-piece decorative pack over by the shore line that they carry with all the different nautical items. In the office supplies, home library, and teaching tree section, they have these planners. It's a 2024, a bunch of different stickers inside for the calendars and planner that coordinate with the pages of the calendar itself or the planner. So this one has a bunch of the dark berry color and kind of like a maroon, and it has all the stickers to match. There's the organized chaos, the fresh start in pink and gold, and then there was also the magical year with like the astrological signs and things like that. There are these dry erase board signs, some of the magnetic boxes in pink, mint green, and purple that you can use to store like different office items and things like that. A whole bunch of new kids learning activities like the learning matching cards by Hello Kitty. There's the Barbie number and counting, Hello Kitty multiplication. There's Let's Make a Match with the Buzz Lightyear and Woody. They even had some SpongeBob SquarePants cards. Over in the houseware, storage, home maintenance, and organization, a bunch of the metal drawer pulls with the hardware have been restocked this week. I did not see any of the ones in gold this time around. I'm only finding them in the black, and there are 3 different drawer pulls to choose from. There's these large collapsible bins. I just love the way these look. They come in 4 different colors. You can get the gray, there's blue, pink, and green, and these are similar to the plastic bin colors that we've been showing over the last few weeks that have the floral cutouts on the sides and with the little handles that come in all the different sizes. Just to refresh your memory, here are those boxes we saw last week that match those collapsible bins. So that's kind of the color scheme that's out right now, the blue, pink, green, and gray. Now for the party supplies, they had these Farberware hors d'oeuvre sets. You get 24 forks, which is 4 of the little plates to reuse and refill. Those were just $1.25. There's also a bunch of these gift boxes. I love the blue truck with the bumblebees in the back, the scalloped edge on the lid with all of the different flowers along the outside borders. They've really put a lot of thought into the box and decorated all the way around, including the lid and the base. We've got the mason jars that say spring. There's also this butterfly with the pink border. Here's the side with the flowers and butterflies. And then the last one, we've got the bicycle with the flowers and the stripes down the side. Now for the pet care items, not a whole lot new there, but they did have these good and fun triple flavor, they call them granola bars, and it's got like the rawhide and then the different flavor, no sticky honey flavored bars. There's also some of these decorative collar pieces. There's some flowers and bow ties, and you just slide those on your collar to help decorate. And now for the seasonal items, we're first going to start with what we found in the spring items. There were more of these garden flags. We've got the gnome, welcome. That one has the hummingbird. Then there's spring is here with the mason jars. And you can see what the writing looks like. That's a picture of the actual flag. We have hello spring with the bicycle and flowers. And then the gnomes that say sweet spring. I also found some new Valentine's Day items or restocked items. They have the silicone heart-shaped tray as well as the muffin tins with the hearts. Then we've got the 3-piece ring heart shape in white and in pink. This time I found them in white about 2 weeks ago. They now have them in pink. They also have the beaded hearts in the pink, white, and red restocked, and some of these DIY light up trucks that say Happy Valentine's Day. You can get the galvanized metal signs that say kisses, love, and hugs, and some little balloons. This one says melt for you. It looks like an ice cream cone. They have a gnome holding a sign that says love. We've also got the Happy Valentine's Day heart and the white. There's the Happy Valentine's Day with the bear. And then just Happy Valentine's Day and the traditional Valentine's Day heart. Hugs, kisses, Valentine's wishes, darling sign. Kisses with the glitter and floral over in the corner. We've also got a bunch of these decorative wall signs that say things like love is all you need. And then just the word love with some metallic gold, red, and pink. There's the blue that says be mine. A bunch of vertical hanging signs that say be my Valentine, XOXO, I like you a lot, in love. These metal trucks have a hanger at the top there. They've got one with a gnome and one with just hearts in the back. St. Patrick's Day items. I found some new things this week, like the tulle skirts. We've got the glitter tulle or the tulle with the shamrocks on the outside. They have their beaded necklaces in green. We also have headbands. It looks like a unicorn with all the different shamrocks. And then the green glitter ears. We have this headband with the shamrocks on a little twisty. There's also one with a big giant bow that says Happy St. Patrick's Day. Bunch of different hats. We've got this one with the buckle on the front, a ribbon that says Lucky, and then another one with a different ribbon, has pots of gold and gold coins with the shamrock. There are some different bow ties. We've got the sequence bow tie, one with the little green polka dots. There's the gold shamrock. And then more of the sequence, just a little bit different than the first one we showed. They also have the long neckties in the gold and green beads or just a solid green. As you can see, there's two different ones there. I've never seen the striped one before. That one's definitely new this year. Over in the Easter items, they have these stuffed carrots, which I just love. So there's 4 different versions. You can see there's like the gingham, there's some buffalo plaid, polka dot, and then the solid. There's also the garland with the foam Easter eggs or bunnies. And they are in like a purple, blue, pink, yellow with a coordinating ribbon. There's a whole bunch of those out. They also have these little tinsel baskets with the Easter eggs in the basket. some of the large tinsel bunnies that say Happy Easter. They also have Easter eggs in the rainbow colors. And this new one that says Welcome to our patch with the 3 carrots, which I just love. They also have this new little bunny. And then they have the bunny with the egg that says Easter. The toys, games, and puzzles. They had out these extra large Slinkies. These are up by the basket fillers for Easter baskets. They had them in green, blue, pink. Then they had some Play-Doh sets with the molds, and those were the superheroes, DC Super Friends. And you can see they've got Superman, Captain America, Flash. The Dollar Tree Plus items, which are the $3 to $5 items. They have these large birdhouses with the galvanized metal at the top, and these are quite large, pretty heavy. They're $5 each. And then there's also these garden stakes for $5. They're 12.2 by 19.3 inches tall. We've got the flowers that say welcome, one that has the sunflowers with the ladybug. There's rain boots with a butterfly and blue flowers, and the welcome friends with the butterfly and flower. They also have these large gnomes and bunnies that stand. There's also the meadow bunnies in the green. There's white, there's blue, and yellow. And then they have the yellow peep, and these are all $3 each. They had some new Easter baskets out. There's the Sesame Street baskets for $5. They had Elmo and Cookie Monster. Then they had a bunch of them that look kind of like peeps. They were just shaped like bunnies. There was the solid, and then they also had the rainbow. Those are $5 each. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.